if you want to know how to fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone problem, you've come to the right place. So in order to do it in the easiest way, we just simply need to open our TikTok account. And as you can see, I can easily follow every single guy I see here in my feed, in my recommendations. So nothing hard, just simply click on plus. And what if you can't? How can you fix this problem? Definitely this problem is because you are following too fast, or maybe they think that you're a robot or something like this. And the first thing we need to do is that we need to open our following list. And here I suggest you to find someone you don't want to see in your list here, and try to unfollow them. After that, probably your problem will be automatically fixed, because TikTok won't even think that you're a bot anymore. But if you still have this problem, you can try the next way. So we need to open our profile and then just simply click on more in the right top corner right over here, and click on settings and privacy. So it's really important to find this folder. After that, we need to scroll down to find support and about area. And here we need to click on report a problem. So we'll come to support page, where we need to find the necessary stuff, the necessary topic. And basically the topic, which is called follow, likes and comments, is the most suitable. So we need to click on it right up here. And as you can see, we have follow. If you'll click, we'll open this toggle menu, and we can click on unable to follow a user. So here we can find the instruction of how can we try to fix it. So switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear the app, restart the app, make sure you're running the latest version. So you need to check all of this stuff. But if it doesn't work still, we need to scroll down, and here we need to click on need more help, but we can also click on view feedback and then just click on reply. And all we need to do now is that we need to explain our problem. What do we have here? We need to write something like this: hello, I can't follow new accounts. Help me, please. So after that, all we need to do, just simply click on submit, and our report will be sent to the TikTok support team, and probably they will help us in a few maybe hours or 1 or 2 days. So we'll receive feedback from them through TikTok notifications, and probably they will fix it from themselves, or they will send us the instruction of how can we do this. So this is a way of how to fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone problem. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.